Hello friends, you will see the next vada, that is sambar vada. So normally when you prepare vadas and if it is left, then people start preparing sambar vada, rasa vada or curd vada. So you will see the basic for all these three vadas, that is sambar, rasa vada and curd vada. First we will prepare the vada. So I have the vada batter here. I have the onion, I have green chilies and salt. So we will mix onion, green chilies, salt to this batter and we will prepare the vada. So if you don't want onion and green chilies, you can also prepare the vada with pepper and salt, and then we will see how to proceed further. So I am adding the onions here, then I am adding the green chilies, then I am adding the salt. It's all up to your wish, like how much chilies you want to add, salt, everything as per your taste. So we'll mix this nicely. In the meantime, I will switch on the stove. I have oil in it. So once the oil becomes hot, we will start preparing the vada. So as the usual method you have seen before, I am preparing the vada. The oil has become hot, so we'll start frying the vadas. So you have to cook on both the sides. Once it is done, I will show you. So now the vadas are ready. So it is slightly hot now. So what we will do is we will use a fork and we will just do it like this so that it has holes in it. If it is very hot, you don't have to dip the vada in hot water. If you're preparing vada in the morning and you are making sambar vada late in the evening, then we have to just dip the vada in the hot water like this, soak it, and then take it out and then squeeze the water nicely. Else just use a fork. If it's a fresh vada, just use a fork, make holes, that is enough. It will be soft. Only if you feel the vada is very hot, then just soak it in warm water and squeeze the water nicely. So now the vadas are ready. I have the sambar here. In another video I will show you how to prepare sambar. So for this particular sambar vada, the sambar that we have prepared is without any vegetables, or you can prepare just with onion and tomato. So I am just having a plain sambar. So I will just pour this on top of the vada. The vadas has to soak nicely in the sambar. And then leave it like this for half an hour so that all the vadas get soaked nicely in the sambar. And before you have the sambar vada, you can just garnish on top of that with some onions, finely chopped onions, as well as coriander leaves. So your sambar vada is ready. Now we will see the rasa vada. So the vadas are ready. Like as I have told before, you just poke the vadas with the fork. I am doing it for all the vadas. If you feel the vadas are very hard, I am just going to dip it in hot water. Else if you made it fresh, you don't have to do this. So now here I have warm water here, so I am just dipping it and then squeeze it nicely so that the water comes out. You have to do this only if the vadas are very hard. The vadas are soft, you can skip this. So now I am just arranging this, and I have rasam here, the normal rasam that we prepare. Just take only the top portion, that is the liquid portion, filter it, and then I'm just going to add this on top of the vada and let it soak for half an hour. Your rasam vadas will be ready. So now we will see how to prepare the curd vada. So the vadas are ready. I have onion, red chili powder, green chili paste, coriander leaves and chaat masala. So the variation is up to you. You can prepare however you want. So if the vadas are very hard, we will just dip it in hot water, that is lukewarm water. So before that I will just do it like this with a fork. If the vadas are fresh, you can do it directly. No need of soaking it in hot water. So I have done that. I'll just show one vada, like you dip this in hot water like this and squeeze the water and just keep it in the plate. So now here we have curd here. So I'll add the green chili paste. Depending upon your spiciness, you can add. Then I'm adding little salt. Don't add too much, already there is salt in vada. So now it's time to assemble. I'm keeping the vadas. Pour this curd on top of it. Let it be like this for half an hour so that the vada soaks in the curd. And before serving, we can sprinkle little red chili powder, little bit of chaat masala, and little bit of onion. This is just optional. If you don't want, you can just skip it. And little bit of coriander leaves. I'm just keeping it in the center. So your curd vada is ready now. You can enjoy. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more such new recipes. Thank you.